Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you what is the istationcom. So let's get started. So here we can just check in our Google search bar, and if you are an uh, Apple user, just you can use your Safari web browser also. Just go to the search bar, search for this app, okay, or this here. We'll just go. So here we can see. So here you can just click on OK. So basically here you have to fill your identity of your student, okay. So basically it's a app for your student, okay, and it's a very easy app to learn the new things, and it's very useful too. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.